model, 2017 VAUXHALL Combo L1 Diesel 2300 1.3 CDTI 16V 95ps H1 van Euro 6 start-stop body, white, panel van mileage, 63,955 MOT. The 13th of April 2024 engine, 1248 cc 1.3 CDTI 95ps E6 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine does crank and is on low on compression, will need repairing or replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, parking sensors, EU status, Euro